Silence is your favorite instrument.
I'm on my way to Pilates. This is my outfit. It's the blue one piece I got at Forever 21. A fanny pack that I think I also got at Forever 21 a while ago. And I think it's a gallon or whatever size water bottle. So hopefully they let me record in class, but if not, I'm excited anyways. So I'll talk to you guys when I get there.
Alright, so arms are going to be long by your sides, feet are flat. And we're just going to take some inhales and exhales. And we're just going to get into that Pilates breath. So let's really take a nice inhale. I want you to fill the rib cage wide to the sides. Nice exhale, those ribs sink into the center body. And then a nice inhale, the ribs widen. So maybe you bring your hands onto your belly button. And just make sure that as you breathe, your belly isn't rising and falling. Every time you curl forward, your left leg goes out. Curl forward, left leg reaches out. Head down, knee in. Exhale, press, curl, and reach. Chin away from the chest. Nodding yes isn't using your abs, so I want you to try and get those shoulder blades off the mat. Chin away from the chest. You're holding a little clementine between your chin and your chest when you curl forward. 3. Beautiful. Exhale, 2. On this next one, curl forward, send the leg out, hold it here. Now go inch up and down with that leg, just a baby inch. Use your breath, exhale, hands support your head, they don't pull on it. For 3, for 2, and 1. Bend that knee in, lower the head, neck, and shoulders down. Put that foot down, bring the other leg up. Every time you curl, we send the leg out. Exhale, curl forward, leg goes out, everything returns. Exhale, curl and reach. Beautiful, pulling everything down, belly button to spine. Here's a great place to practice that Pilates breath. One more, and then curl, stretch the leg out, hold it, up and down an inch with that leg. Inhale, exhale. For 4, for 3, for 2, and 1. Bring everything in, place that foot down. Or try and get the top of your pants to touch the mat on the way down. That is incredibly difficult. All right, zip the legs, flex the feet. This is the last one like this. Take a nice inhale, exhale, tuck the tail, round forward, come up, dive over the feet. All right, sit up nice and tall. How's everyone doing? Good? Abs are good? Great. Point your toes. Zip the legs together and we roll down with the pointed toes. When you get to the bottom, you hold. Arms are up. Point the toes even harder. Roll up with toes pointed. You should be able to feel a difference in what happens in the roll up when your feet are pointed versus flexed. Now you're sending your leg outside the circle in front of you. Then you bend the knee and you put your leg back through the circle. When you bend your knee and you take it right outside the circle, you bend your knee and you put it back through the circle. And take it outside the circle. 3. Lift the abs up, pull that waistline up. 1 more. And then bring everything down. Take the circle away, roll onto your back. You can put it off to the side because we have to do everything first. And let's figure 4 that side.
Okay, I don't have much space in my hands and my camera is dying, but I left Pilates. I had such a good time. I'm definitely gonna go back and take more classes, but I stopped at this coffee shop cafe called Milk and Pull, which I always wanted to try, and I got my favorite lavender vanilla latte and a cinnamon roll. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna go home, shower, and then I have a lot of errands to run today, so get right into that. And I'm excited to be vlogging, guys, like I can't explain. So yeah, my camera's literally about to die right now, so I'll check in with you guys when I get home. Do you want to cheer?
Yes, we love the cheers.
Thank you.
Within the minute, someone likes to take off.
Do you have thoughts on sunglasses inside?
I love them.
No thoughts? Okay. I'm normalizing pimple patches and sunglasses inside.
I'll make it right.
Okay. I still don't know. Is it socially acceptable to have pimple patches on in public? One day I'll find out the answer. We got sushi, and now we're eating ice cream. Hopefully we can see a movie. And yeah, I guess that's what I'm supposed to say. Actually, I'm glad that I have the camera with me and that I'm vlogging though. We've come a long way. So yeah, I can't vlog and eat my ice cream, so I'm gonna do that. And then when I'm able to record again, I'll check in with you guys. But yeah, I got strawberry cheesecake, I think. It's pretty good. What's the Cookie Monster?
Making it look good.
Do you want to cheers?
Happy summer.
Happy summer. So apparently there's a sale on tickets. Apparently there's a sale on tickets if you get the Regal app, not sponsored. So they have these kiosks. Oh, is it sold out?
That's the screen. It's
Damn.
It's full.
Okay, what else?
But you got it. That's good. You get the discount.
Okay. We get
So, Inside Out was sold out. So we're seeing, thank you. We're seeing Bad Boys. Hold on. We just got out of the movie. We didn't watch the whole thing. I also had to take my earrings out because they were starting to hurt. But we just got out of the movie. And now I think I'm gonna hang out with Kenji. So, sorry. That'll be fun. Not me walking into people. That'll be fun.
Brother, what's that?
Why'd you love me? I'm not bothered.
That food on my face.
I can leave it out. So this one, you're basically doing the same thing again. So these two with these two.
I know if you fight kung fu, but I go fight for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. I know if you die for you,
Ladies!
but I'll live my life for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. Yeah,
so I'm back from the beach. It's 5:32. I just took a little shower and ordered some Uber Eats. I don't know why I was really craving poke. Also, I feel like the pimple patch, it worked like really well. So yeah, while I wait for my food to get here, I want to do this face mask. This face mask called Weekly Reset. It's the Loops brand. I've been seeing it everywhere. I don't really know what they do, but I think it's just aesthetic. So I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so it's been a little more than 10 minutes. I guess I'm looking a little glowy. I'm gonna add some snail mucin. I feel like this just goes with the texture of the mask. That looks glowy. Here's my bowl that I'm having for dinner. I think it just has like mango, avocado, edamame, salmon, tuna, shrimp, spicy mayo, onion crunch. So I'm very excited. I love poke. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this, watch a show, probably New Amsterdam or Desperate Housewives, but this is the end of the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed hanging out with me, seeing what I've been up to. And yeah, let me know if you're liking the New York content and just like the daily vlogs and that type of stuff. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.